And here we are, cabin number 12544 on Utopia of the Seas. First look at our balcony cabin. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Walking in, you've got your mirror here. Nice size couch. Perfect for getting ready. Everything lights up. Perfect for shooting videos. And what's awesome is here, you've got not one, but two wardrobes. So hubby's got his stuff there. My stuff is here. Safe for putting in your wallet, your passport. Lots of little storage cubbies. Down here, you've got a couple drawers. Plenty of room for tucking away your goodies. Nice little cabinet here. What's great is if you want to bring back drinks or some munchies for later, you've got a little fridge. Lots of drawers for storage. Breakfast menu if you want to have continental breakfast delivered to your cabin. Hair dryer and your Kleenex are in that top drawer. I always bring my own hair dryer though. What's really nice is you've got hooks on the wall. We oftentimes will hang like our hats here, sometimes a wet swimsuit, big TV. We've got our beds pushed together, but you can have those separated if you wanted to have those into two twins. And then there is our balcony. And there is Port Canaveral. You've got chairs, and underneath you've got like a little ottoman. So we'll be sitting out here in the mornings, having coffee, eating breakfast. And once we're at sea, that view will definitely change to the ocean. Let's take a quick view of our bathroom. So you're walking back through the cabin. What's kind of cool is instead of a doorknob, it's magnetized. Another really great thing about Utopia of the Seas is my favorite, the shower door. Never really was a fan of the shower curtains on some of the older ships. What's great is you've got this that is adjustable for height. My husband is really tall. I'm much shorter, so we'll be adjusting that down for me. You do have some hair and body wash, but I did bring my own. For the ladies, if you know, you know. Toilet there. A few things here for storage. You've got your waste paper basket down there. A few extras here. Towels, your thing for soap, and we are all done. Welcome to our home away from home on Utopia of the Seas.